up, YouTube? It's Kiki Cole, and I'm back at it again with another video. If you're new to my channel, hey boo! Now for today's video, I'm going to be doing a natural look, as I said in the title. And my definition of a natural look is just purely enhancing your own beauty. And now if you want to know what I mean by that, keep on watching. So first things first, I'm going to be going in with moisturizer and primer. And for moisturizer, I'm going to be using the Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. And just apply this all over my face. For primer, I will be using the Baby Skin Instapore Eraser. Guys, I've been using this combination for a while now and I truly love it. Like, this makes my makeup look so nice because it's like, it doesn't look too dewy and it doesn't look too matte. It's just perfect. I will be going in with my I Envy by Kiss eyebrow pomade. To conceal my brows, I will be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Pure Beige in the bottom of my brows, and I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty Foundation on the top of my brows to give it a natural look up there. I'm just gonna be taking an eyeshadow brush to blend out the concealer. So I'm done with my eyebrows. If you guys want a full in-depth video on how I do my eyebrows, just let me know down in the comments below and I will gladly do that for y'all. And yeah, now I'm gonna go in with foundation. And for foundation, I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty Foundation, the same one I used for my upper brow. And I am in the shade 360. Now I give this 2 pumps. And then I just go in with my damn beauty blender and take it all around the map. Just bring some down to my neck. Now I will be going in with the same concealer that I used to clean the bottom of my brows. I'm only going to be using this shade and not a lighter shade on top, since it is a natural look. So if a little eye bag shows or whatever, it doesn't matter. Because the point is to look natural, it's not to look so highlighted. And just go back in with my sponge and blend everything out. I take it to my lid too, just to conceal that lid. I still feel like I need a little bit more of concealer, but instead of going in with a lighter concealer, I'm gonna just go in with the same concealer and apply it again on top of that. Just for my under eyes though. And blend that out. So now I'm going to be going in with my Laura Mercier Translucent Powder to bake. I like to bake right there where it looks like I have a beard because I laugh too fucking much and I always get smile lines for that. So now while I bake, I'm just going to go in with my Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette and I'm going to go in with the lightest contour shade.
Sometimes I like to contour my jawline so it could pop.
Now I'm gonna go in with this big fluffy brush and just remove all the excess powder from my face. Ooh, I forgot to set my lids. Do not forget to set your lids because girl, they will crease. They will. If you put liquid in your lids, they will crease. Get that in your head, Kiki. I'm gonna blend out any creases I might have on my lids before I set it. So now I'm gonna go in with a thin spoon brush and I'm gonna just contour my nose with the same shade. I will be taking this eyeshadow brush to blend that out. Now I will be going in with the BH Cosmetics Daisy Blush Duo. And it looks like this. I'm gonna just take my blush brush and just go in with that pink shade. So I'm gonna take it from the apples of my cheeks and bring it up. And I'm just gonna take this subtle highlight from the same palette and put that on my cheekbones and on my nose. I will be taking my broken highlight brush. Thanks, Elf. You did great. So I just built that highlight up because, girl, I glow even when I'm natural. I will be using this pencil brush to highlight the bridge of my nose. Don't forget to lick the tip. So now we'll be going in with the Aaliyah X MAC palette. And I'm going to go in with this medium brown shade. I'm going to take my blending brush and just pack this shade onto my crease. This just helps my eyes look more alive. Now I will be applying mascara, and the name of this, Erase, but I know it's from Maybelline, so that's that. Are y'all seeing the difference that this mascara is making? This is like, girl, and this is like, bitch, what? I'm just taking a Q-tip to clean the mess I made with the mascara because that one was fat. Now you can skip this step to keep the natural vibe, but I'm gonna just enhance my lashes with some glossies. I'm taking the Demi Wispies lashes and I'm gonna just apply that on real quick, and I will be right back. So now I'm gonna just apply some of my Pink Victoria's Secret lip gloss. Why is there hair in my lip gloss? Is that when you wash your hair and strands of hair comes out of your ass? And now for the finished touch, I'm gonna go in with my Physicians Formula setting spray and take this all around the map. If you want, you can go back in with your sponge and just blend out so there won't be any harsh lines and everything can look seamless. So this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please make sure to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my channel for beauty videos. And what else? You tell me.